I wanted to just get a head start on notes with you. So let's just take a look at this stretching and shrinking. So just take notes. We're going to take notes on these first three boxes, and then we'll do the rest in class to see how this all works. So let me get a nice thick pen color here. Right, vertical stretch and shrink. These are exactly like you think they would be. So if I have, if I have 2 times f of x, what that is a vertical stretch by 2. If I have 1/2 times f of x, what I have is a vertical shrink by a factor of 2. You don't have to say 1/2 because we're already saying it's shrinking, so we know it's getting smaller. What this would look like in the point rule, by the way, is for that first one, in my point rule, I would do 2y, and for the second one, I would do 1/2 y. So it's very straightforward, which is nice. The next one, not so much. So horizontal stretch is going to look like this. Notice it's a 1/2 on the inside. So just like when we shifted left or right, the plus sign meant when it was going left and the minus sign meant it was going right, which was opposite our intuition. Same thing here. This is opposite our intuition, but this is going to be a horizontal stretch by a factor of 2. Whereas if we see a plain old 2 inside, that would be a horizontal shrink by a factor of 2. So point rules. When I see the 1/2 on the inside, I know it's opposite, so I'm going to do 2x. When I see the 2 on the inside, I know it's opposite, so I'm going to do 1/2 x. Right, last one is reflections. It is also somewhat counterintuitive in that negative f of x, so this affects the y coordinates. So that means that actually it's a reflection over the x-axis. And if the negative sign is inside, that affects the x coordinates. So it's a reflection over the y-axis. So let me give you some point rules. For this first one, I would do negative y. For the second one, I would do negative x. So I'm hoping that is a quick review of stuff that you learned in Algebra 2. We are going to start on Friday with this warm-up. And we'll probably be doing it together because look at that. It's got a 3 on the outside and negative 1/2 on the inside. So we're going to start with this warm-up to kind of get our brains going. But I wanted you to at least have this written down so that we don't spend time on that. All right, have a great day, folks. I will see you on